Good day. I am Mark Nico Quinto, and for this activity in Rizal Life and Works, I will be sharing two of the oldest items I found in our house. These are old 20 peso bill and old clock. Both of these items may seem ordinary, but they hold history and memories worth keeping. Ang una is kani. Old 20 peso. The first item is the old 20 peso, but unlike the paper bills we use today, this one is made with a thicker paper and has a different design over the years. It become wrinkled and faded, but that only shows how long it has been kept. This bill is no longer used today because of the new design and the coin version of 20 pesos. Still, it is a reminder for our country and economy and how money has involved with time. For me, this bill is like a small piece of history that connects us to the past generation of Filipinos. Kuha na siya. Pag 1935 pa ni siya. 1935. And the next one is, second item is the old clock. Guba na siya, guba. Dugay na siya pag kuhan pa daw ni murig ka ng ugasan sa akong lolo. 19 pa ni 19. And it has been in our house for many years, and you can see the design of age through its faded color. Small scratches na kani kangkig mga kuhan. Even though we now have digital clocks and mobile phones to check the time, these old clocks still represent how people in the past valued time with simple but durable tools. For my family, it's not just an object but a witness to many years' daily life at home. From waking up early in the morning to keeping the track of special occasions. Through these two items, the old 20 peso bill and the old clock, I realized that objects may lose their practical use, but they gain historical and sentimental value. They remind us of how things have changed over the time and how important it is to treasure the past. Thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you. That's all.